Hi Harry, today we're going to draw a girl who is sitting on the ground and taking the picture. So let's start the drawing from the top. You can see I'm putting the outlines here, and this is going to be the hair, and you can see the details. So if you want to put the hair like the design of a ponytail, then you have to put a band here. Okay, all right, and other details is coming up later. Okay, and you can see the partial positions of the hair is coming up from this band. On the other side, it's like a very nice designs. And for the figure, you can see the extensions of the body. This is her back, and yes, she's a schoolgirl, so very wonderful photographer. Okay, so this is going to be the hand, and another hand you can see I'm just putting up here. All right, so we're putting the extensions of the hands here. Okay, so you can see the holding positions. And this is the backside view of the camera, and it's a professional camera for the photography, so it has a little bit special designs for the exposure and aperture. Okay, and she has to look through the camera's lens. That's why she is looking through the lens, and we're just drawing that. Now we're going to see the other hands on the other side, so it's partially visible. As you know, it's not fully visible, and some partial view you can see on the other side. All right, so now this part is done. Now we are going to put the belly here, and the dress you can see. All right, and the belts for her pants, and here you can see the details. Let's do a curved line. Okay, and this is folded special designs you can see, and the backside pocket. Okay, so these are the special designs you can see, and the legs. So the extensions of the legs, you see one leg is totally folded and another legs will be extended in front to the forward directions. Okay, we are going to see the shoe here. Usually it's like a riding shoe for the teenage girls. Okay, the designs you can see here, and extended part, the two lines meet up in a single lines, and the other extended leg we're going to see in front. Okay, all right, so with this mechanical pencil it's very easy to draw the things. As you know, if it's all the linear outlines, so the thickness must be uh, less bold, so it's like a thin outlines. And also she has a bag on her backpack. Okay, so we're going to draw another bag here. It's like a small portion bag for necessary items, a button maybe. And to give it a 3D effect, we are putting it like a three-dimensional perspective. So for the perspective, you always know that the things which are near at us, that's going to be the bigger, and the things which are distance from us, that's going to be the smaller. All right, now we're going to put the ground. So for the use of the crayons, we can use the crayons to draw the grounds. Okay, so I'm using the crayons to draw the ground. Okay, she's sitting on the ground. Awesome. Now let's put a green dress for her vest here. It's like a little bit t-shirt used for the summertime. You can see the green vest she's wearing right now. Okay, So we're putting the depth of colors to the border outlines. All right. And purple colors like the pants. Actually, it's a short pants for the little girls. Okay. You can see the short pants here. All right, so this is partially complete. The dress and the shoe, we're putting it a black color. Okay, let's make it a little bold with the outline. All right, and the part we're going to put the black colors. Okay, and also we're putting the camera a dark color. Some parts totally dark. Okay. All right. Let's put a purple pink backpack. Okay, so backpack is complete. And for the belt, we're putting it a deep color. So now I'm putting the dark outlines. Okay, others belt you can see, and the body figure you can see it's like a orange color in some shades, and some other parts are the lighter. So just put one side the orange colors, also putting orange colors on the other legs too. So it's not so deep color, it's like very light colors to make the drawing a really nice one. Because if you use the lots of colors, then sometimes it doesn't looks good. So we are using less colors to show the impacts of the shades and outlining the shades very nice. Putting few colors to the face here. Now only one thing is left, there's the details of the hair. We can use the mechanical pencil or the regular pencil to do the details, but as you know this drawing is very small, huh? So let's do the mechanical pencil for the detailed drawings. Okay, and the top portion of the hair we're just putting up into a nice sketch. So some outlines are really bold and darker than the other ones. Okay. All right, so this is quite a nice one. It takes little time, but as you know, if you put the times, then the drawings is going to be a really good one. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.